Stan's looking for his drone. Stan's sitting on the toilet, but he's just using it to wash his legs. And your feet are really painful, are they?
Yeah.
Stan's looking for his drone. He lost connection over the lake, so he's walked all the way around to try and find it. And there he goes in the water. Look at the salt on your legs. So what was it like walking across the lake?
Very sort of sharp. The salt bottom was sharp as, so it was like walking on needles all the way across.
You got a rash that, you got a rash on the bottom of your pants there. Move your hands. Down there.
No, that's a bruise. That's
No, underneath it, it's a rash.
Wow.
That's from the salt rubbing on your pants, bottom of your shorts.
with the reflections from the sun. It's just too hard. Unfortunately,
Even if you did find it, it's what, 600
600 times saltier than the ocean. So
it's dead.
it's dead, well and truly. It's going to be someone's trinket one day when they find it. Oh, flies are shocking out here. Mozzies at night, flies in the day.
Walk us through what happened and what lessons have you learnt?
Well, I've learnt to never take off and let your drone go without using line of sight. I just did it from the back of the van, and I just assumed looking at the camera on the phone would be enough, but it's not. When you start getting into trouble, you can't actually visualise where it is.
Well, if we found it, it would be dead because it went down in the water.
Yep.
And we'll have a look at the footage again. And being 600 times saltier than the ocean,
it's truly wrecked.
Yeah, so...
Well, the camera on it instantly stopped when obviously it hit the water because it went blank.
And it said no connection.
No connections.
Yeah, so we've had it for a year, bit under a year and a quarter, I reckon. So you've had fun and you've learnt a lot.
Well, I've learnt to fly it, but unfortunately...
You learnt how to lose it too, so that's a
Yep.
really good lesson. Chrissy's back in her pram. She's been for a long walk today, but because she's got IVDD, she gets tired and her back aches and she starts wobbling.